What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Old school music, hollering at you, you know what I'm saying? Creative sound coming at you again. I said I'm gonna make a video during daytime, because other one I just made was at night with dogs. You know what I'm saying? So, here we go. You know what I'm saying? Making a little small little demo, sound demo of the Expedition. Black Beauty is what I call it. It was raining a little bit earlier. It's gonna slow down a little piece. It's gonna stop. Feel me? Let's get this underway here. Oh, yeah. I cleaned it up a little bit, not much, Just a little transformer inside, what I'm saying, with the black to go with it. Those there. You know. Head unit, EQ. Got a Sony head unit for right now. Be taking that out soon.
I was missing something anyway. I was missing all of your good love.
Find something else. Find something else.
Do you really want romance?
I guess I was being loved, I'm in my feelings, I guess. I don't know.
Got to really love me. Got to hold me.
That's just the two speakers up there in the back window. Show you what I'm talking about.
Got to hold me. Got to hold you. I'll give you all of me. This much is for me.
Right, though.
Yes. Yes. Right
Go ahead and cut on the door.
Open wide, please, baby. There's something I want to say to you.
Got some outside sounds. Probably better see them up on the tag, right behind the tag. Got right behind the grill there. You know what I'm saying? Just a little something, a little small sample. I just recently blowed two of my subs. I'm in the process of ordering 4 brand new ones. I'm gonna use the old one. They took a good licking. Kept on ticking, but I guess it was too much for them. Do the L5. They kind of mixed up here. Got the custom kickers in the middle. Blowed out one. You probably can't see the paper. Broke it from around the frame. Look pretty bad. Other soda battery here, he's gonna get all brand new. Redo my box. And they change up everything back here all together. Make everything different. We do the whole setup. Got the 2600 that's on the doors. Got 2500 Boss that's on the subs. With 2 audio phonics. Got the 1200 on the speakers up here in the back. These are the main ones I always play anyways. I don't hardly ever play everything else. Right now it's okay. This is a family vehicle anyway. Soon I'll be getting to my son. He play have something to play with, whatever the case may be. But yeah, that's basically about all. Back here at the shop, but it all go down there. Right now I'm getting ready to build some banner stands for the cheerleaders. Constantly doing that. Make sure they be on point. They can win them competition. You feel me? Got the headline over there that belongs to a customer. Pointing out the other night. There's some things going on. Got my DJ set up, my cabinets and whatnot over there, and everything like that. Just a little something. I ain't high-end person, nothing like that. I just do what I do and make it do what it do. Y'all tell me what you think. Give me some ideas and comments and all that. And I'll be hollering at you. Holler at your boy.